This is a video reply to a comment left underneath my video, Repairing Damaged Campsites, How Far is Too Far? And it was left by Down East Primitive Skills 7688. I want to tell you your comment really bothered me, but it really bothered me because you're absolutely correct. I did try to inflate the cost of the damage done on that campsite. I wanted to really think about your suggestion where I should have just gone out to the forest somewhere and found another cedar, dug it up and brought it back. And I don't think that's a good idea because we're not adding back what was lost. We're just moving around what's left. I will meet you part way though and say that if you're going to do that, definitely go and collect trees under hydro right-of-ways or along roads where we know they're going to be killed anyway. Then you'd be at least trying to save some trees that were going to die. I did, however, definitely agree with New Life 155, who suggested that 3 living trees were worth well more than $400 or $500. But I am curious of what other people think. Check out the comments underneath that video. Thanks for watching.